Hi sir, I'm Sandhya from 7th. Today what you told in the video, I really love that plan sir. What you told in the video, I will not waste my by watching TV or playing games, etc. I will do some interesting works like crafts and like paper crafts and I'm eagerly waiting for tomorrow class sir. Thank you sir.
My name is Someshwar. I'm going 7th standard now. That story is helpful for me. I thought in that story, do not be lazy every time.
வெல்கம் சார். இந்த ஹாலிடேஸில் நான் ரொம்ப ஸ்கூல் ஸ்டடீஸ் டீச்சர்ஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணேன். மேற்கொண்டு என்னால் படிக்க முடியுமான்ட்டு எனக்கும் தெரியல. அதனால் இந்த டைமில் நீங்கள் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ்லாம் ஆரம்பிச்சிங்கன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க. எனக்கு ரொம்பவும் சந்தோஷமாக இருந்துச்சு. நீங்கள் இன்ட்ரொடக்ஷன் வீடியோ எனக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருந்தீங்க. எனக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாகவும் இருந்துச்சு. என்னோடய டேலண்ட் ஸ்கில்ஸ்லாம் டெவலப் பண்ணிப்பேன். நீங்கள் அனுப்புகிற வீடியோலாம் எனக்கு டேலண்ட்டும் ஸ்கில்ஸ் நல்லா டெவலப் ஆகணுன்ட்டு நினைக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ.
Today evening I saw our Ablagam School International online video. It is very nice. Thank you for your wonderful presentation.
Hi, I am Ivan Joshua. I am in 7th standard. Today, our sir told the story. In that story, the moral is don't be lazy and we should not cheat others. Nowadays there was no school, but we should learn at home. Work hard. Thank you.
Hi sir, I'm Jeevita from 7th C. Now I'm going to talk about the command of video upload today. I will not be lazy hereafter. I will do many creative things like craft, grass gardening, fit exercises, etc. etc. The video have nice. I am eagerly waiting for next video. Thank you sir.
Hi sir, my name is Shaina. I'm 7th standard D section. Afternoon, I saw your online video. First you say a story, in that I saw a mistake. You said horse, but that is not a horse, that is a donkey and a man. Once upon a time there was a donkey and a man. The donkey will carry the salt to the town. One day the man said, we want to cross the river and go to the town. So the donkey did not come. So the man was pulling him and it get down into the water, so the salt and all go into the water. The man, it climbed up and the man opened and saw there is no salt. It happens daily. So he thought, donkey, you go first, I will come at the back side. Oh sure, he'd say. And the donkey get down. He checked the body, the salt and all get in the water. The man at the backside, the man saw, oh, he doing like this only, the wasting the salt. We want to teach him. And next morning he said, he kept the clothes and all, cotton cloths and all, and the donkey carried and it jumped into the water. The water and all get to the cloth, and it take a long breath and it climbed up. And the donkey asked to the man, why are you doing like this? The man said, you are wasting my monies and foods, so that only I want to teach you. Moral, don't be greedy, don't be laziness.
Good afternoon, sir. This online class is very helpful for me and useful for me, and I can learn many things about any subject. I'm coming to a story now. Once upon a day, there was a salt seller selling salt in different town. The salt seller can't much any salt bags. He's taking all salt bag in a horse trader. One day the horse felt very tired and he told, I can't come. I will take rest today. The salt seller can't hear anything. The salt seller took the horse in the river. The salt seller told, go inside the river. I will finish my lunch and preparing my food only I will come. The horse went inside the river. The horse fled inside the river. And the salt seller took the horse and come out of the river. The salt bugs can't much more things. All the salt went inside the river. The salt seller seen all the in the salt bag. All the salt went inside the river. Every day like this only. The horse story like that. The salt seller think one day we are all we can't do anything. I am accept my mistake. Hereafter I will not give any trouble to my horse. Thank you.
Good evening all my teachers, and I am your Loshini. Hereafter I will not be laziness and I will be active. Hereafter I will not study for my parents or my teachers or my relatives. I will study for my must. Thank you for the opportunity you gave me. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Vishnava. I am studying in 6th standard J section. I saw today's video. It is very nice and I like the stories and proverbs very much. Thank you.
Hi sir, I'm Jasmine from 8th C. This video was so interesting. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. And the story which you said today, I don't think that there is a huge explanation for this story. I thought that this story was just for entertaining kids and people.
I'm Nidhi Salama of class 7. In today's online class, I listened to a story. The story is about a lazy horse who doesn't want to work. It was a nice story. The moral of the story is that we should work hard and sincerely. Thank you.
Good evening. So today I saw a motivational story in online class and it inspired me to not be lazier and it motivated to read my, newspapers, magazines and etc. So hereafter I won't be lazier and I will read all the newspaper magazines. Thank you.
I'm Sachin of 7th X. I'm going to the standard of 8th. I learned many things from today's class. Especially you say the proverb of tomorrow, not today. I like that very much. The meaning of that proverb is every lazy children says if the parent gave any work to them, they will say as I will do tomorrow or I will do after. First I will play games. That is the minus point of them for their growth in their life. And then I'm going to talk about the Missile Man of India and who is the 11th President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It means Abul Pakir Jain Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam, he came from the very poor family from the state of Tamil Nadu, Rameswaram. He wrote a very good book of Wings of Fire. I like that very much. At last I can say the proverb of with guns we can kill the terrorist. But with education we can kill terrorism. Thank you, sir.
I am Nitya C. This video is very useful for me. By seeing the video, I understand we be lazy.
It is very helpful to learn in online classes. It improves our language skills and our knowledge. Thank you.
Online class is very important for the students. Students can learn the good habits and communication English. Online class is helpful for the future.
Good evening. First of all, it's a great honor to be part of this special course. I learned a lot, really. I enjoyed this course so much. This course was interesting. I learned a lot of new things, and it's useful course for how to develop learning, and its experience to be more interactive with the help of latest technology. I thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi, my name is P. Tarun. I am going to studying in 7th standard. I am very excited to attend my online class. It is very helpful for me. Thank you for teachers and the principal.
Good afternoon. My name is Lokshana. I am studying 6th standard D section. Today I saw the online video class. It was very useful and it was very helpful to me. When our parents or our elders say to do the work, we want to do the work immediately. We should not avoid the work. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I am Shamira from 7th J. I have learned many things in that video, sir. We should not be like that lazy horse. We want to save that time. We want to do crafts that are useful for us. And we want to read storybooks, newspapers, books. And we want to do yoga, exercises in the morning. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, I am Pooja from class 7. I am Pooja from class 7. 2 days I watched the online class. In that our principal sir taught a good story about a lazy donkey. In that I understand that we should not be lazy. We should not be lazy. We should work harder and reach a goal. Today, our principal sir told a good proverb. Nothing is easy when you are lazy. Thank you for our principal, senior principal sir and our principal sir for taking online class.
Today I'm going to share my experience about today online class. Today our principal told the story of lazy horse and trader. The moral of the story is one to avoid the laziness and do the daily activities. Our students must follow the moral of the story. Thank you, friends.
Hi sir, I am Aarti. I am going to 7th standard. It is a golden opportunity for us in this bad situation of COVID-19. We are lucky to get such extraordinary classes during this lockdown. Thank you for your steps taken for us to improve our skills. I hope and believe that these classes will help me in future. Once again, thank you, sir.
Hi, sir. Good evening. This is Guneshwari from 7th C. I am here to comment about the video which is uploaded today. Today's video is all about laziness. The story which is said gave a wonderful moral. Hereafter, I won't be lazy. From today, I thought an idea of doing creatively in board times. Today's class was awesome. I am eagerly waiting for next day class. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sairam from 7th standard. First of all, I would like to thank our beloved principal for initiating the online classes where no other schools did. Hereby, I am very proud, happy happy and useful rather than wasting my time by watching TVs and using mobile phones. And I am very much fond and eager to attend the upcoming online classes. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I am Batmesh from 7th standard. I saw your online introduction video about online classes. You told about laziness with a story. The story was very interesting, and the moral was also very good. The moral was about to do our day-to-day work on time without any laziness. Thank you.
வணக்கத்திற்குரிய பிரின்சிபல் அவர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். நீங்கள் கூறிய கருத்து எங்களுக்கு மிகவும் பிடித்துள்ளது. அந்த கதையும் எனக்கு மிகவும் பிடித்துள்ளது. அதிலிருந்து நாம் கற்றுக்கொள்வதும் எப்பயும் நம்ம சோம்பேறியாக இருக்கக்கூடாது, சுறுசுறுப்பாக இருக்க வேண்டும் என்று புரிந்து கொண்டேன்.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sharmila. நீங்கள் சொன்ன ஸ்டோரியில் எனக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா நீதி வந்து எனக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா 10 நாள் கெட்டவன் ஒரு நாள் அகப்படுவாங்க. தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Hi sir, I am Sharbala from 7th J. In the story, I understand the concept of the lazy donkey. So hereafter, we won't be like that. Thank you for the online classes. Thank you.
Hello, today I heard our principal's speech. In that video, he has spoke very well about the time. Time is priceless. From tomorrow and the upcoming days, I will surely send you a video about fitness activity and your exercise and yogas and upcycle crafts, so that I cannot waste time. So I can manage the time by doing these works. So surely I'll send you a video about I'm doing the exercise and yogas and crafts. Surely I'll send you a video. Thank you for the videos.
The class was very interesting and useful for me. I will attend the class regularly and improve my knowledge. Thank you, sir.
It motivates me, and I thought we should not be lazy.
Good evening to my class teachers and my senior principal. I am Ashni. This is my first time to attend classes online. I am very excited. Our principal told a little story, the salt cellar. It was very interesting and was very amazing. It was about perfectness and laziness. And he told some of the leaders who were achieved in a good position. Our senior principal, Narendra Modi, Abdul Kalam, etc. He told about our school history. It was very amazing. Our school principal worked very hard to found a good educational school for the children. And just now I know that our school had uploaded videos in YouTube channel by Amal Vision. They were uploaded by crafts, art, drawings, etc. My grateful thanks to my teachers and my senior principal to give a speechless introduction to me. Thank you, sir.
என் பேர் ஸ்ரீனிவாஸ். நான் 7th படிக்கிறேன். நான் வெப்சைட்டில் போட்டிருந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன் பார்த்தேன். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது. அந்த ஸ்டோரியும் சூப்பராக இருந்தது. அது எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷனாக இருக்கும்னு நம்புகிறேன். அப்புறம் அவர் அப்துல் கலாம் அவரை பற்றிலாம் சொன்னார். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. எனக்கே தெரியாதெல்லாம் அதில் கற்றுக்கினேன். அப்புறம் சொன்ன தாட்ஸ்லாம் லாஸ்ட்டாக செமையாக இருந்தது. லாஸ்ட்டாக லைனாக போட்டாங்க, செமையாக இருந்தது. நாளைக்கு தமிழ் இனியவைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதுவும் நல்லா இருக்கும்னு நான் நம்புகிறேன். ஸோ அவ்வளோதான்.
My name is Sharida Banu. I am from class 6G and I saw the online videos and I feel very happy and I remember my
school and my teachers, and I miss all my friends. And I will follow the instruction what given by the teachers, and I will keep the good name for our school. Thank you, sir.
Hi, I am Prem Kumar from 7th A. Now I am going to 8th. Today our principal have taught many things like proverbs and the story too. I will follow these proverbs and I will complete my assignments daily, and I will take a video of what I see and many things like terrace gardening, yoga and many things, etc. So I will follow and I will take a video and post it in the WhatsApp number.
Happy evening to my dear teachers and principal. I am Diya from 8th standard. So, what I have learned in the story of the salt merchant and the lazy ass is that if we are lazy, we cannot accomplish anything, and we are wasting our precious time in the present quarantine day. So, we have to get up early in the morning and do something or two of our favorite things with our daily routine. For example, reading books, doing craft works, reading newspapers. The best way to get something done is to begin today. Tomorrow, not today, here the lazy people say. At last, I want to say that hard work never fails. So, try to do your best. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mohammad Fatah from 7th F, and during the lockdown days, we can't go to school, and but we can learn through by online classes. By this way, our school started the online classes. But today's introduction, I have understood some points, and we should not be lazy, and we should do the work every day. We should do the homework every day, and we should do the work today itself. We should not postpone tomorrow or some other day. We should not afraid of something. We should not afraid of something, or the work is very big. We should not cheat others. We should not cheat others by not doing this work. This will cause in future. This will cause in future or some.
Good evening, everybody. Today I am going to tell how the online class is very useful to me. The online class is very useful to me. Like, our principal also gave more tips to us, and our principal told a story, and our principal told about the great persons, and he also told that we should not waste our time. We can do our activities, more activities, and our principal also told to read and book at least an half an hour. So tomorrow or not, today onwards, I am going to follow all the instructions of the principal. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers. Today I am going to say about what our principal said. Our principal said a short story about a salt seller and a donkey. And he said about some people's like APJ Abdul Kalam. Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, our senior principal, and some other peoples. And he told about a schedule planned by a school. Our principal said good habits and bad habits, the agriculture, craft work, yoga, fitness, and so on. He said to saw the video and see the video and get knowledge from it. Thank you.
Hello sir, I am Mufid Ahmed from class 7th F sir. We searched for the online classes today sir, but it was not available. So we saw the recorded video sir. Thank you for your hard work sir.
Hi teachers and my principal sir. I am Kirti Vasan. I like the online class and I like the proverbs. I like the 3 proverbs of laziness and I always wake up at 7 a.m. But when principal sir said I will wake up at 6 a.m. Thank you.
Good evening sir. I am Arjun Priyan from 7E. Today I saw my online classes introduction. This introduction is good. I like the stories, the salt and horse. That the horse carries some salt. He doing that wrong thing. He went into river. I saw that video and I like it. And I saw some leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and some of the persons. And I have got some ideas that craft works, terrace gardening, fitness for life, and that moral stories I like it, that moral stories what you said. And I will surely do that exercise, yogas. When you say, I will continue that till end of the lockdown. I do my best. Thank you for conducting the online classes.
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் ராமகிருஷ்ணா. நான் 6ஆம் வகுப்பிலிருந்து 7ஆம் வகுப்புக்கு போகிறேன். இன்னைக்கு எனக்கு நல்ல நாளாக இருந்துச்சு. எதனால்னா இன்னைக்கு நான் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணேன். எனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு, ரொம்பவே ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. தேங்க்யூ.
My name is Muhammad Altaf. I am from grade 7. This is the first time we are looking the online classes. It is very interesting to us, but still we are missing our classroom section. Thank you to everybody for online classes.
Many things today. The story narrated by our principal was inspiring. I have learned good manners. I will follow whatever told by our principal. Thank you.
Sir, my name is K. Hari Prasad. I am studied 6th standard H section. Now I am going 7th standard. For that, thank you, sir. And I hear the story. I very happy because now this holiday I very lazy. I hear the story and I very energetic and happy. And you keep the online class. I entertainment for that because I learn all the things and I fitness of the yoga, fitness, creating something and moral story. Thank you sir for keeping online class.
Good evening sir, I am Kumni from 7th C. I am going to tell few points about video classes. I saw my principal after a long gap and I am very happy. Principal gave more information to us. Example, famous person like APJ Abdul Kalam, Sri Narayana Murthy, Gurubhai Ambani. The moral of the story is, do not be lazy. I will do many craft work and send to the principal by WhatsApp. Lazy people do not achieve in their life, but hard work people will achieve in their life. Thank you.
I am Satyan from 7th J. You have explained the short story. I have enjoyed very much. The people who are lazier, they have become losers. I will follow the proverb in my life. Today I also read some people who are worked out, like Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and my principal and senior principal. Thank you, sir.
Sridharan from 7th F. I have learned so many information through the introduction part. I am excited to learn lessons in the online classes. Thank you.
Hi, I am Abhinaya from 6th. Today I watched the video. It is very helpful and very useful for me in the future. In what ways it is helpful and useful means, like day-to-day life, we are facing many problems like, for example, viruses. Suppose our body is affected by viruses. The three things: fitness, yoga, and exercises. Three things helpful for our body. Like this, in these ways, it is very helpful for me. Thank you for sending this video. Thank you.
My teacher and my principal. I am going to tell about my experience in my first online class. My first online class is very jolly and very interested to hear. My principal was taught very nice. I feel proud to hear this. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Darul from 7th A. I share the experience of to watch the video of Iniyavai Karpom. Dr. V. Gopal sir said that the three people's lifestyles like Pythagoras, Socrates, Harish Chaudhary. In these people's lifestyles, I am learned there was no age bar to learn the Iniyavai Karpom. Dr. V. Gopal sir said that one Tirkural, Karka Kasdara, Karpavai Katrapin, Nirka Agakutaga. I expected the next classes. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Shekhar. I study 6th standard I section and I passed to 7th standard I section. Today I attend introduction class. It's very useful for me. For past 1 month, I wasted my time by watching television and playing video games. Really thanks for arranging this online class. Today onwards, I will never waste my time. I will wake up in early morning and do useful things. And I like that story also. Thanks for my honorable principal and honorable senior principal to make this day useful. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is S. Sanjay Babu. Thanks for organizing the online class. Today I learned about good habits. I always follow a good habits and happy in my life. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. I am Sanjay from 7th standard I section. Today online class is very useful for me. Our principal sir explained about future online classes. Thank you.
Sir, I am Tahira from 6th A and I saw a video. The video was so superb, sir, and thank you for uploading the video. And I love to study and thank you for giving the opportunity and making us study in the holidays too. I am enjoying by making my holidays useful and the video was so useful. You told many stories and I came to know about many great personalities and I came to know about many many proverbs, sir. Thank you for the saying the proverbs and about the great personalities. And you have told many important things like we have to achieve something in our life. And if we want to achieve anything, we have to work hard. I will work hard, sir. And you have told to do many programs at home. Make us programs and do it daily as our daily routine. And I will make my day useful. And I will make my day useful. And what are all you say, I will follow, sir. Thank you for uploading the video. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Izzat Faisal Hussain. I am studying in 7th standard I section. Today, I have attended online classes. It's very useful to us. Principal told us about the laziness. I hear the story very well. In that, I hear the laziness. Hear about the laziness. If you are lazy in our life, we cannot achieve in our goal. So, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
The lesson which I learned from today's class was should not be lazy and should not postpone the things. Thank you for the effort given by you for the students. Thank you, sir.
Kritika from 7th C. Today I watched Sir Gopal's video. He taught many useful things to us. He also taught about good habits. I learned many things in this video. I enjoyed this video. Thank you, sir.
Respected sir, thank you for the online classes. It is a great opportunity to learn all the subjects. In lockdown days, it is very useful to continue my studies. Thank you, sir.
Happy evening, sir. நான் வந்து வின்சி ஃப்ரம் 7th J. இன்றைக்கி நான் இந்த இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன் டு ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் நான் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணேன். அதுலேருந்து எனக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சதுன்னா, நம்ம வாழ்க்கையில் லேசினஸ் அப்படின்ற ஒன்று இருக்கவே கூடாதுன்னு நான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். நீங்கள் கற்றுக் கொடுத்த அந்த ஒரு கதையினால் எனக்கு நல்லாவே புரிஞ்சுது. லேசினஸ் அப்படின்ற ஒன்று நம்ம வாழ்க்கையில் ஒரு எப்படி சொல்கிறது, ஒரு பேய் மாதிரி, அதாவது ஒரு டெவில் மாதிரி. நீங்கள் சொன்ன இந்த கதை மூலயமா நான் அதை கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். அந்த அப்புறம் ப்ராபப்ஸ் சொன்னீங்கள, அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு நல்லாவே புரிஞ்சுது. அதெல்லாம் வந்து லேசினஸ் வந்து அதான் நம்ம வாழ்க்கையில் ஒரு டெவில் மாதிரி. நீங்கள் சொன்ன கதையில் எனக்கு எல்லாமே நல்லா புரிஞ்சுது சார். நல்லாவே புரிஞ்சுது எனக்கு எல்லாமே. தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Hello sir, I'm Jasmine from 7th C. Thank you for this golden opportunity. I'm here to comment about your uploaded video. The stories which Mr. Gopal sir said, they were so interesting and there were more explanations for that. And thank you for planning these activities. The activities were so good. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'm Sivapriya. I'm going to 7th standard. I enjoy the introduction of online class. I'm happy that I have online class from today. Surely I will do what you say, sir. I will do yoga and whatever I'm going to learn in online class. I will take videos and photos and send through WhatsApp. When our principal spoke to us, it is very encouragement for us. Then our principal gave the short story, example story, the salt man and the horse. In that story, I learned good things. Really, it changed me and I get the target. And the story is helpful for me. I should learn well. I can understand your efforts. I will do the best. Thank you, sir.
Happy morning to everybody. I am Muhammad Maushuk. I am 6th standard I section. Now I am going to pass to 7th standard I section. The arrangement was done by our senior principal and our staffs were very good. And I got one thing from this: you should not always be lazy. And I had an idea of writing story. That idea I will satisfy my mind. Like our principal told one proverb: tomorrow, not today, the lazy talks. Likewise, I will satisfy my mind because I think I am lazy. So I will tell tomorrow, no, time is there, tomorrow we can do. Then I heard our principal's speech and I got an idea why we are becoming lazy. We hereafter we should not be lazy. So I will start my story tomorrow itself. Once again, I am thanking our principal sir, senior principal sir, and our stars. Thank you.
My name is Jeniksha. I too see your video. It was so nice, and I too understand all the things, and it is so useful for me, and I will follow that. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, all respectful teachers. The video dedicated by the Professor Gopal was very interesting. So that I was share with you. In the starting, he tells about the good habits and which Tirukural he likes. He say inivai karpom and say some small stories and say one story was very I like that one. That marble in that marble I will tell in the Tamil. ஐந்தில் வளையாது ஐம்பதில் வளையுமா என்பதை அவர் கூறினார். So that I like that story. Thank you.
Dear Principal, my name is Yan Narita. I am studying 7th standard C section. Yesterday, I was excited on this online class. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am very happy to see you all again. This class is very useful for me to improve the knowledge. It was really motivated. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Till today, I have wasted my time by watching television. Today, I have learned many moral value and good chapter by our principal sir. This online class is useful to me. Thank you.
Hi sir, good morning. This is Sandhya from 7C. Today what you told in the video, I really loved that speech, sir. Like Ramanujan and many other people who you told, not only in this age and in the older age also I agreed, sir. I learned many things like music and some other. I'm eagerly waiting for tomorrow class, sir. Thank you, sir.